Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Sway. The lobbyist had significant sway over the council, leading to an indefinite delay of the new law. Sway. The lobbyist had significant sway over the council, leading to an indefinite delay of the new law. Indefinite. After an indefinite period of absence, the missing painting began to reappear in private auctions. Indefinite. After an indefinite period of absence, the missing painting began to reappear in private auctions. Reappear. He hoped that his old friend wouldn't reappear just as he was finally beginning to find closure. Reappear. He hoped that his old friend wouldn't reappear just as he was finally beginning to find closure. Closure. Without any sense of closure, she felt the need to pull away from the relationship entirely. Closure. Without any sense of closure, she felt the need to pull away from the relationship entirely. Pull away. Just as he started to pull away from his past, a major financial setback forced him to return home. Pull away. Just as he started to pull away from his past, a major financial setback forced him to return home. Setback. After this latest setback, he found himself completely deadbeat and unable to pay his rent. Setback. After this latest setback, he found himself completely deadbeat and unable to pay his rent. Deadbeat. Being completely deadbeat, he dropped his empty wallet on the table with a heavy thud. Deadbeat. Being completely deadbeat, he dropped his empty wallet on the table with a heavy thud. Thud. The thud of the falling gavel filled him with anguish as the final verdict was read. Thud. The thud of the falling gavel filled him with anguish as the final verdict was read. Anguish. In his moments of deepest anguish, he realized how much he relied on the companionship of his dog. Anguish. In his moments of deepest anguish, he realized how much he relied on the companionship of his dog. Companionship. True companionship should be based on mutual respect, not on who has more sway over the other. Companionship, true companionship, should be based on mutual respect, not on who has more sway over the other.